Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me, Mickey Chespith. In today's episode, let me show you how to make some mango filling jam that you're going to use to put inside our white forest, of which I also have another recipe of how to make a white forest cake in my next episode. So be sure to check it out. And we only need one ingredient, and that is a mango. It depends with how sweet your mango is. You might also need some sugar, and you might also need some cornstarch. But this is a very sweet mango, so we only need this for ingredient. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'll start off by slicing my mango into very small cubes. You may also need a blender for this particular process, but I'm going to try and make it without so that you can also have a chance to try it out. We'll need to chop this into very small pieces. This last one, I'm going to slice it into slightly bigger pieces. So this is what you have, and let's get to the other side where we get to assemble our sauce. So this is just about quarter cup, and as I've earlier mentioned, my mango is very sugary and very sweet, so I do not need any amount of sugar. So we are just making a sauce, and we are going to cook this down for about 5 to 10 minutes till it becomes very thick and everything comes in together as one sauce. So in total, I've used half a cup of the standard measuring cup. So I'll wait for this to start boiling, then I'll be back. So my mango filling is ready, and I'm just going to loosen it up slightly, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to let this beautifully combine for another about 2 to 3 minutes. Then everything is going to be ready. So as you see, it was that easy preparing this mango filling, and it's very delicious even though it's hot, but we are going to wait for it to cool down. And in the meantime, I'm going to check if my cake is ready, and join me in tomorrow's episode as we frost a white forest cake. Bye.